3300 EU. I think this building originally had an OTIS Lexan, but never got the chance to film it. Then it got converted to a hotel and they put the Schindler 3300 in. That's interesting. AP call station up here. EU call station downstairs. Yeah. Actually, I think this is actually supposed to be a 3300 AP, but with the panel mounted on the side wall as opposed to the door frame. I think the door frame's just not quite wide enough to fit the panel, so they've had to put it on the side. Here at ground. And we'll take one more run up to 3, and then we'll finish up there so I can... Actually, I just realised I don't need to stop the camera to take still photos, because this bloody phone allows me to do it whilst I'm filming. There's a bloody idea. Get one of the... I always forget that this is something that this phone allows me to do. Oops, I just accidentally did a pause there. I just pressed the wrong button. You'd think after 6 months of owning this phone I'd have worked out how to use it properly by now. Nope. There we go. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more, then you can visit my channel and see over 1,000 more videos, or you can subscribe to see my latest videos when they're released. You can also follow me on Instagram, where you can see more exclusive, fresh and original content.